Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to delete your TikTok Shop Seller Center account. So go to your TikTok Shop in your browser and not in your phone. So you'll have to do this in your browser in your phone or on your desktop, but not the application itself because it won't show it there. So here you want to go select your own selling partner right here. So let's just go and do Philippines right here. Enter your details, and then from there you will have to log into your TikTok Shop Center. And then go to your account settings basically, and then here there's going to be an account settings where it's going to show you close shop account. You will have to follow all these steps, of course. So next you're going to have to close your shop account right here. So enter your details and all. Next is, once you have done that, there's going to be statuses for the things to do, like a notice for the shop closure should be given 1 day before the closure. So you'll have to announce that before you can even close it. And then here there's going to be other criteria that you'll have to follow and check details on. Next is your verification of identity and then checking the criteria, so the closure of account. Then press next, and then basically if you haven't found it again, you'll have to actually just go here and press it. So this is going to be what you're going to do. So besides that, already we already passed that. So here you're going to have to confirm if you want to close the shop. And then there you go. Once you've done that, press confirm, and then you'll be on your way and you have closed your account in TikTok Shop. And it's just that simple.